Hi everybody, this is Artist King here. Welcome back. Um, Welcome back to another awesome video. Okay, so today I'm doing another one of these freestyle type videos that I do. So I'm showing you what I do from the beginning. I'm actually drawing out what I'm gonna paint and decorate if you want to use that word. I'm drawing it out so you can see my entire process this week. So I do all of that, and I want to challenge people. I think haven't done that in a couple of weeks now, but I want to go back to challenging you to try and do something, to be creative, to try and pick up a pencil, a paper, a piece of clay, or something, and begin to create something. I believe we all have a creative side. It's just that some of us, it shows a little bit earlier, and then the rest of us, we don't really do anything because we compare ourselves to other people. And as far as I can tell, art is relative. Art can be whatever you want. There's no set guidelines. I saw a painting the other day with 3 lines that sold for $100 and something million, and I was like, dang, I could have done that in my sleep. So you can create. Anybody can create. So I'm challenging you to pick up a brush, some paint, or a pencil and some paper and begin to do something. I guarantee you'll be surprised. The more you do it, you'll be surprised how good you will get at it. Okay? So another thing I want to do today is I'm asking you guys that, first of all, I want to say thank you to all the new people that have been looking at my videos. I'm so glad that you guys are enjoying what you're seeing because you keep coming back. And I just want to tell you guys, when you look at my videos, if you could hit the like button, because that button helps other like-minded people like yourself to be able to see my video. So if you don't hit that like button, nobody else would see it but you. Okay? And don't forget to leave a comment. And most of all, don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. So I am going to let you watch the end of this video. I'm not going to keep talking while you're looking. Watch to the end of the video and see the end result and enjoy the video. Okay? And don't forget, guys, I post every Tuesday and every Saturday. So this is my Saturday video. So the next time you'll see something brand new from me would be next Tuesday. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy the video, and I will see you next Tuesday. Okay, all right, now bye now.